Hey guys, this is Mr. Hoots, and Mr. Hoots is stuck in a 2D piece of paper right now, and to be frank, he's quite boring to have around like this. So in this video, we will try to bring him to the real 3D world. Well, I'm not gonna make a 3D print of Mr. Hoots cause I can't simply afford one yet. So we are just gonna make him look 3D. We normally see stuff around us in 3D because we have two eyes. When we look at something, each eye gets an image of the object at a slightly different angle than the other. Our brain does the rest. It stitches the two images together and we have 3D. This technique is used in VR headsets nowadays, but we're not gonna use one of those in this project because I have reason to believe that they are quite terrifying experience. And then there are these guys, Polarized 3D glasses. They are good too, but I'm not gonna use them either because I might not recover from that for a long time.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go, sir. Please. Please, I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
So instead, we are going to use stereography, discovered and popularized by these two folks. We are gonna use stereo pairs. Stereo pairs are two images of an object taken at two slightly different angles. They're usually viewed using a fancy viewing device such as a stereoscope, but we're not gonna use one of those in this project. Instead, we will be using our own two eyes and nothing else. The technique is quite simple. You just have to look at 2 points and try to see them as 3 instead of 2. The third dot is a combination of the other two. You can achieve this by blurring and defocusing your vision like this. It may not hit you in the first attempt, the second or the next, sometimes maybe never, but as long as you are not cross-eyed or have a lazy eye, you will be able to do this 95% of the time. Try it now. Try to make 3 dots in your vision and focus on the middle one. You can pause the video right now and try to do so. Once you've done that, keep focusing because the next picture is gonna blow your mind. There you go. If you are doing it right, you should be seeing our logo floating about the background. You can even see the background through the logo, and it's just magnificent. This got me thinking, can I use my own camera and make a stereo pair out of Mr. Hoots? Well, probably. First we'll have to take my selfie stick off the window and then we're good to go. There you go, a stereo pair of Mr. Hoots. I shot it at 6 centimeters distance apart because that's roughly the distance between our two pupils. I'm pretty pleased with the result actually, and if you try hard enough you will be able to see the 3D picture of Mr. Hoots. The background is throwing it off a little bit, but it's a pretty decent 3D image. Pause the video if you didn't get it yet. Practice makes perfection. This gave me another idea. I think we are ready. No gimmicks, no 3D glasses, just your bare two eyes. Pause the video if you can't focus yet, and once you did, you can resume. At this point, I believe our project has been a great success. Don't worry if you couldn't see it properly yet. Maybe your screen is too big. That's why I shrunk the images so little. Here are some other objects to give you more depth. Stepping back a little might help. The smaller it gets, easier to blend the dots together. And also try to keep your eyes level with the screen. A slight offset may not blend the images very well and the effect won't work. 95% of the time it just boils down to practice. Rewind the video back and try again. You will get it eventually. Comment down below if you manage to see the 3D picture with your own two eyes. It was a hell of fun making this project, apart from the headache I got crossing my eyes for too long. We'll try something like this another time, and I'll see you guys in the next video real soon.